So ChatGPT can give you some really great topics for your ebook, but what it doesn't do is give you a best-selling ebook topic that will sell your ebook. Keep watching and I'll tell you why. Hey guys, this is Dawn Marie and I'm here on YouTube documenting my own journey of starting a digital product business from scratch. So make sure to follow along if you want to see what I get up to. Plus, I focus a lot on marketing ebooks and other info products. So if you want to get quick tips and tutorials on all things info products and ebooks, make sure that you subscribe. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. In the past 6 months, it has been significantly trending and can quickly become your go-to content creation tool if you want to create great ebook content and get great topic ideas. Now, in fact, it is one of my most used tools in marketing, in my marketing toolkit, because I literally use ChatGPT for all my content creation, from social media content creation to email content creation. And one of the things that I really love about ChatGPT is that they're really good at giving you topic ideas for your ebook or info product. Now, I've watched a couple of videos here on YouTube on how to find the best topic for your ebook or your info product. And most people will tell you to go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a topic on a specific niche. But in my opinion, they fail to talk about the additional steps that you need to take before you go to ChatGPT to make sure that the ebook idea you have is validated and, most importantly, that it will sell. I mean, what I have found from using ChatGPT is that it can really only do so much in terms of content creation, but it does not help you validate your idea. And you need to do a bit of work before to make sure that your ebook has a good chance of getting sales, right? And by the way, before I go on to talk about those steps, if you look in the description box below, I'm going to share with you my 10-day action plan for launching your own digital product. And that's going to take you through, over the next 10 days, everything that you need to do to put together your product, sell, and fulfill it, no guesswork needed. I'm pretty much telling you what to do, how to do it, and when, so you can sell your best-selling digital product. Okay, so let's dive right into the steps that I would take to come up with an ebook topic idea and then use ChatGPT to brainstorm those topic ideas. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to identify your target audience. So you want to first determine who you want to reach with your ebook, right? So you may already have a following on social media, your blog, or your podcast, and you can use those analytics to find out a few things. So consider whether you're writing an ebook for male or female readers. This might help you come up with topic ideas that are more relevant to a specific type of reader. You might think about what are their age groups, what are their interests. Now, if you don't really know how to find out what their interests are, you will look again at your analytics to see what type of content they are clicking on and consuming the most. So for example, when I wrote my first ebook on how to do affiliate marketing without a huge website, I didn't just pull that topic from thin air. I actually used my Google Analytics to see what was my most read content and then came up with ideas to target readers based on that interest. So I knew that by doing that research and really finding out what my readers were interested in for my blog, I could come up with a relevant ebook that they would most likely buy because they have that interest. Right? So you really want to do all of this research that will help you create content that resonates with your audience. It addresses their specific needs and it makes it more likely that they will actually want your ebook when you put it to them. Now, once you've done this research, you also want to do a bit of competitor research to see what's already out there in the market, right? You want to look at existing ebooks in your topic area, analyze their content, their sales performance, and customer reviews. So remember I spoke about how to use Amazon to research and get inspiration for your ebook covers? Well, this type of research is what you want to do because you want to look to see what is already out there and then come up with areas where you can differentiate yourself and provide a different or unique perspective on your ebook. So you can look at Amazon's book reviews to get readers' feedback on the specific book. Maybe they might say something was missing or there wasn't enough content. Those readers will tell you, and then you can use that feedback to make your book better and full of value that your followers will want it. And then you can use that to attract potential buyers. Okay, so the next step that I would take is leveraging your expertise and interest. So you've done that research to see what your audience is interested in. So consider how you can use your own knowledge, skills, and passions. Do you think that based on that research that you can provide valuable insights to your readers? Do you have enough expertise to write a book on that topic, right? So choosing a topic that you're passionate with will make the content creation process easier, more enjoyable, and authentic, and you wouldn't have to struggle to write the ebook as well. And finally, once you've done all of that legwork, here's where ChatGPT comes in. So using all the information that you found from your research, you want to go to ChatGPT to brainstorm your ideas. So you want to ask ChatGPT for suggestions related to your target audience, industry, or specific areas of interest by using this prompt. So let's say that after doing my research, I've come up with the following. So my target audience are homeowners who like gardening and lawn care. They want to learn more about creating the perfect lawn that is organic, healthy, and low maintenance. They don't know what organic methods they can use for a healthy lawn. They don't know how to prevent weeds from growing, and they want a lawn that's sustainable and safe for their pets and kids. They're mainly male in the age range 25 to 54. So now I can go to ChatGPT, and here's the prompt that I will enter. My target audience are blank. Their pain points are blank. Their desires and needs are blank. I want to write an ebook that will help them. Can you give me 3 ideas for ebook topics? So I will type this into the prompt and it will rapidly spit out 3 ideas. You will see that it also gives you more ideas on what you can cover within each ebook based on the topic. So it's helping you to really brainstorm your idea. You can read the ideas that it gives to you, or you can ask it for more. So I might say, can you give me more ideas, or whatever number you want to use? And there you go. Okay, so now you have those ideas. You want to take it a step further. You don't just want to start writing on a topic that you choose. No, because remember, we want to create an ebook that has the best chance at selling multiple copies with your specific audience. And if you have a big enough audience, you need to validate your idea. Get feedback from your followers. Do polls and surveys on social media to see what your followers are resonating with, right? So when I first sold my ebook, which sold over 40 copies when I launched it, I started collecting email addresses of people who might be interested in a specific topic. I literally built a landing page and I told the people who visited my landing page what I wanted to write about, what the ebook was going to be on, and that allowed me to gauge whether there was interest. So I knew that if I was getting a lot of interest in the topic, then that was proof that it would sell, and it did sell. So when you take this very important step, you choose a topic that has the most potential to resonate with your audience and therefore generate sales, which is what we want. So once you see that most people like a certain topic, after you've done the surveys, you've gotten feedback, then you can go ahead and invest your time and money in writing your ebook. So there are a few things that I want you to remember, guys. Creating an ebook topic that generates sales is not just about finding a popular topic to write on. You also need to consider how you can provide value to your specific readers, your audience. You need to understand their needs, do thorough research, and deliver high quality content. So this is how you are going to likely increase your chances of getting ebook sales that appeals to potential buyers. Now, don't forget, if you are ready to launch your ebook, check out the link in the description box below for my 10-day action plan for launching a digital product. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.